I say, look, if you have the opportunity to do hormone replacement, I tell it to everyone that asks me. I'm like, absolutely yes. I don't pull punches on it, and I would not do that if I weren't on the program.
Right.
You know, and I wouldn't know that it worked for me. It worked for my friends. It worked for my family. It worked for my wife. It's worked for everyone. Your path, your journey to where you want to be, right? On how you want to live the rest of your life. What do you want to do?
You want to live your best life.
What do you want to do? Do you want to go walk at Seneca Park at 5 o'clock when you get off work with your wife? Right. Do you want to do that? Do you want to walk with her for 3 miles? Can you do that? Or do you want to sit on your couch and just go, oh,
right.
I'm too tired after work. I really can't go to the park.
It changes a lot of lives. I mean, one of my favorite stories is a gentleman walked into our office a couple Christmases ago and said, thank you. This is the first year I can remember enjoying Christmas since whenever, because I was just not happy. I wasn't happy with myself. I wasn't happy with my body. I wasn't happy with my relationship. You all have changed my relationship. We get letters all the time. Sometimes, unfortunately, we do find some things through our extensive blood work, PSA levels that are up, and men have to go to another physician and get that checked out. So we are definitely looking at the whole picture, the whole body. And I know we focused a lot on testosterone today, but believe me, we do look at everything. We work collaboratively with your physician if needed. We make sure you're a good, safe, healthy candidate before we get started.